Me burning our hand. We all need somebody to lean on. You might just have a problem that you understand. We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Somebody to lean on.
I've cursed on a Sunday, I've cheated and I've lied, I've fallen down from grace a few too many times, but I'll find holy redemption when I put this car in drive, roll the windows down and turn up the dial. Can I get a hallelujah? Can I get an amen? Feels like the Holy Ghost running through you when I play the highway FM. I find my soul revival, singing every single verse. Yeah, I guess that's my church. When Kosh leads the psalm and I lead the choir, it gets my cold, cold heart burning hotter than a ring of fire. When this wonderful world gets heavy and I need to find my escape, I just keep the wheels rolling, radio scrolling, Timmerson's wash away. So can I get a hallelujah? Can I get an amen? It feels like the Holy Ghost running through you when I play the highway FM. I find my soul revival, singing every single verse. Yeah, I guess that's my church. Yeah, I guess that's my church. And yeah, I guess that's my church.
There's a lot of ways of saying what I wanna say to you. There's a songs and poems and promises and dreams that might come true. But I won't talk of starry sky, moonlight on the crown. I'll come right out and tell you I just love to lay you down. Lay you down in softly whispers, pretty love words in your ear. Lay you down and tell you all the things a woman loves to hear. Let you know how much it means just having you around. Oh darling, how I love to lay you down. There's so many ways your sweet love make this house into a home. You've got a way of doing little things that turns me on, like standing in the kitchen in a faded cotton gown with your hair all up in colors. I just love to lay you down. Lay you down in softly whispers, pretty love words in your ear. Lay you down and tell you all the things a woman loves to hear. Let you know how much it means just having you around. Oh, darling, how I love to lay you down. When a whole lot of December are showing in your face, your auburn hair's faded and silver takes its place. You'll be just as lovely, and I'll still be around. And if I can, I know that I just love to lay you down. Lay you down and softly whispers pretty love words in your ear. Lay you down and tell you all the things a woman loves to hear. Let you know how much it means having you around. Oh, darling, how I love to lay you down. Oh, darling, how I love to lay you down.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
Your beauty is beyond compare with flaming rose of auburn hair, with iris skin and eyes of emerald green.
Your smile is like a breath of spray. Your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene.
He talks about to win his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls her name Jolene.
And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. And you could have a choice of man that I could never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolene.
I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, and whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can.
Jolene, Jolene.
I'm begging of you, please don't take my man.
Okay, please don't take my
Man.
my man. Usiende na ye. Digera tu. Very nice. You talk to kugate na DJ please. Ishini nyimbo horeru. Itie daga inegene. Ni nyimbo cia ne thesha. Kuhuroka tu guthuthira ngoro tu. Wow, very nice. Migambo mega iraingira na wega. Tukumenya mwikaga practice ri. Nikandi kuri cia Gikuyu niguo. Ni ndu ithu tutaraigwa. Giki giokire na Mary. Ziko? Aya, sawa sawa. Shire ndume to Country Music Cafe magitunegeria nyimbo njega muno cia country music. Nyimbo ithuthagira ngoro citihindi ciothe kunegenerwo aca ukaigwa uguo kainirwo na ndi mayutira kana makinagira andu amarenda go propose. Iciri ciimbo njara tiraturana na wendo uguo. Wendo na nyimbo icirathi uguo igathie WhatsApp group ime otugithiaga na na makiria guku ni tukoraniria nao magitwire thabari yao ikoretwo ihana atia na ohori kana no gukunegeria ciringi 300 hari thini wa M-Pesa yaku paybill ne huthu muno makiria 570 31 account mne wekira kiugo jaza na wekira shiringi cia 79 ugakorwo ikihotanira shiringi 300 570 account ni mkiugo ne jaza shiringi ni 79 muhotani witu wa gatatu imakura mona wa girigiri jue kana ne gukorwo gikihotanira besha icio muhotani witu wa kana kugwo the minute ukugeria munyaka waku niguo ugukorwo ugikigeria na ukageria maita maige nigetha ukihotanira 300,000 Kenyan shillings kuria mwana wa Facebook ndramwona DJ Denice ukaiga we kuria Baringo Eldavin Chapsito na mundu ugwitwo ithe wa Franklin we kuria Garissa twe hamwe muno na wish weekend to my person nice weekend to my person Ruthu wa Hito my son Franklin na ado all the magikethini wa mutabo Juja Kinyozi Masto twe hamwe muno kuria mwana wa Jose ne John Kinyozi na mundu ugwitwo Muna Safi na ekura mwana wa All Kalao show iko moto sana na mundu ugwitwo Honorable Twist Gororo na aiga gikuona we kuria Mwea agathigiriri na mundu ugwitwo Terry Bobo na yo kaiga we kwa muno makiria na bandio ni iraina wega muno makiria Esther Rasta galage kuona na mundu ugwitwo Esi Queen na Keith Mwagi onawe uko ndani ya mtambo tugithie nabere atugodai kwa twetheini wa mood ya guthutherwo nyimbo cia country music na ikoto ko tukianaria na ndume itu country music cafe ni airetu ere na jabe mwe mutha at least ndona kwena itagote gender balance lakini sasa ni ndehi mukigeithanie muture mwitagwa tutirakimenya maritwa tuonge kidogo netokuga no to gender disfast tuthiete go
no Githikai eroreri Kameme TV hamaritoa ni Savannah Country Girl chikaga country music pure usinigwira ndutaga
niguo
yes
Savannah Country Girl ritwa ginya Rihanna country
of course
karibu sana Savannah yes no Savannah maybe kwa nyune ko hivi shags hivi
Naivasa gwitu Naivasa no ni ndikaraga ku Nairobi
yes ikaraga Nairobi
of course
Naivasha ni gucera
kido kiu
how long we need nyimbo cia country music kana winini ukoretwo winini how long
like 10 years hiyo ni kuifundithi but in general it's just recent hatujaka sana tikarite muno like uregiwa good
mwita band
okay but band imekaka the name band imekaka but for a personal experience not that much no nitugereti haria tukinyite we've done something
nekahinda na kegorie why country music
ogoro he music jega muturire-ini wa mundu ni country music dukaboeka tiga cio moga gateni cia toro you will never dukaboeka of course hado moga gateni cia aturaina ororo afu na lala no tiga tu ni hanini rekeine ni nigere dance project
oni ogotuonio oria sinagwo
no ginya
no nyoni rio makinya ni nde mutukanire
isi
nicio
munene witu ingirari aguthithi kamweri tuingire na kuone oria twikaga ni hagu naho
aya mugeitheke muno ringi hamarita njitagwo Jerry Mwehaki on all social media platforms nyinaga country music classics sometimes a bit of blues so such music
na Jerry ne kairetu gako
gagitheria no jigaraga Nairobi
okay yes wewe nitukanagia nyimbo itiganite
ni dukanagia nyimbo na nijoraga
artist uria gaikara hau gauma ogwo hana na ndetigirite muno
exactly wathi online urore Monique Art yukunyona
okay kugwo ni creative at its best
yes
aya karibu sana Jerry
asante
sasa
fiti sana
uko aje
uko fiti
wewe unaitwaje
naitwa Danny Chris
Danny Chris boy wa kutoka wapi hivi
nakaa Nairobi but home ni Western Bungoma
wewe ni
mtu wa huko Wasembe umaimba country music for how long?
Country music, I've been there. I've been the
wakati ilianza, I was among the people who were in the beginning with Njeri. Tumeka, it's been a year like for a long time. Yeah.
Ndio. Haya. Jaridio hii mwacemanirie atia nigetha mwanjiririe nigetha tuthie music-ini?
Ithe twacemanirie ni undu wa mundu gwitwo The Grandpa. We niwe wanjiriirie group ino ya Country Music Cafe. Ni akoragwo na an online radio platform.
The Grandpa, no.
The Grandpa. Etagwo The Grandpa ni ngaci. Hihi ni agoka. Niwe wanjirie kiria group ino ya Country Music Cafe. Riu aturehaga on board as musician. Riu twacemanirie ko tukianjia kuruta wira hamwe.
Ni ndu mwega. Ni njuke ni mugeteirwo muno nigetha tuonio makinyari ni savanari. Twende kwa muziki.
Tukuina kagoti ka marangi maingi ni nie ndikandikite. Wathi hau YouTube ni ukora Hana Njoroge kagoti ka marangi maingi. Thutha wa mĩaka mĩingĩ ngĩcũranagia mĩaka ya ũyuthi-inĩ wakwa, ngĩririkana ithandũkũ rĩa iraka ndaheirwo na ũrĩa mami ciyũthĩrire, harĩ na iraka cia maragio, kĩraka kerĩ kĩnini na ndierĩ na igoti, na wari muthenya wa cua, mami akiũngania iraka, kĩndumĩra kagoti na wendo mũnene ma, na ngĩkenio nĩko.
As she sewed, she told a story from the Bible she had read about a coat of many colors, just a war, and then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness, and I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed it with a kiss.
My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from rags, but I wore it so proudly. Although we had no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. Kogo naira kami futoine, na marima iratoine, na kagoti kamaragi, giyuka sukuru, gikora magideke, rera kagoti akwa karia kamaragi maige, mami adumire.
No, I couldn't understand it, for I felt I was rich, and I saw the more of the love my mama saw in every stitch, and I saw the more of the story Mama told me while she sewed, and how my coat of many colors was worth more than all their clothes. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see one is only poor, only if they choose to be. It's true we had no money, but I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. Kagoti kamaragi karia mami edumire, kaumete koiraka no dekiraga kena, no tutiare nabia, dare ye toga konara kagoti kamaragi karia datumiro. Kagoti kamaragi karia mami edumire, kaumete koiraka no dekiraga kena, no tutiare nabia, dare ye toga konara kagoti kamaragi karia datumiro, karia datumiro. I've been lonesome, I've been empty, I have an aching way down inside. I need someone to hold me. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight. Don't think about tomorrow, it don't matter anymore. We can sound the key and lock the world outside the door. I need you so now. Come on, let's go now. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight. Now don't you worry, we all alone now. Put your head down, sit by my side, turn off the TV, put on some music. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight. Don't think about tomorrow, it don't matter anymore. We can sound the key and lock the world outside the door. I need you so now. Come on, let's go now. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight. Don't think about tomorrow, it don't matter anymore. We can sound the key and lock the world outside the door. I need you so now. Come on, let's go now. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight. Pull down the shades, turn out the lights and love me tonight.
You know the muhoranga guitar? Like it's kila mtu anachapa guitar. So ni kama ni lazima ujue kwa country ilibidi ulane. Which one is this?
These are semi-acoustic, these are acoustic guitar.
Oh, okay. Isho nisho jega na kidugi gwito country.
Siya kwefudithia.
Siya wefudithia. Nikoresha ma pro. Levels. Alright, tuka ibida benda kujitanira na dume wetu country music cafe na ndibage tutarira makuru magegioka hamwe ituko kwa tigikiraniria na mundu ria waki marehire hamwe nigetha gitwire vision yake kana kiroto yake kiari kiriko hakinya ni country music na tugigithiaga na mbere ndiradigano ni gukumenyithia ati no ukorwo ugikiruga ngima yaku njega kuria thiini wa riko ritu na mutu wa tupike na ni njira huthu muno makiria ugithie haria thiini wa duka yaku na thiini wa supermarket ni ukorwo kia mutu wa ngima wa tupike ni mutu muhuthu muno kuruga na gwo ngima ni mutu utegwo kugia na ni wonekanaga duka hakuhi na raruga ngima njega muno itarabatara kurianirio na gitoero na wina hinya muno wa guteithiriria mwiri waku gukorwo ugikigia na hinya na tugo kwera tugithiaga na mbere twina etiro grandpa nigo ndikirirwe etago ndikana ni akirenda ritwa ringi ucio ni waki marehire hamwe in the building sasa we niguo agaruge ndo turaniria we mundu wa nyumba etago atia
jitago the grandpa
uni mama gifandi tugikia kanyamungu kurutao kana niguo makui
my hair jitagwa Eliud Nganga.
Yeah,
but now the grandpa is the brand. Yeah.
Magute grandpa niki. Kale karugano. Kana story. Yole muthenyo umwe. Karibu sana.
Asante
sana. Niwe woni kiroto giki ukirehe the country music cafe hamwe. Niki kia shugiria maundu kana niki kiari thini wa meciria maku kimare hamwe.
First of all, nyumete mushie wedete country music, blues and classics.
Country music, blues and classics. Ni mushie rikosho.
Ni
home ni wapi?
Uku Nairobi.
Oh, ni nai.
But from kuma kinaguka. Medete muno nyimbo icio ni twathikagiria sound down na late night date. So gorete mushie wedete music. So then I just loved the radio part of it. So as I grew up, I loved the radio. No so my passion for the radio made me put up a team of friends
So wendo wa radio ni kuigwa wendete guthikiriria radio.
Radio,
okay, sound down yakoragwo KBC ni TV.
KBC
Ni TV kana yakoragwo radio. Okay. 6 to
no ni twacemanagia na arata tugakia nyimbo the same.
Yes.
So kama 2 years ago ndagicemania na nje Monica Jerry twacemania nake Java ngimwenderia dream
ne moigwa kuri andu macemanagia. Yes,
so ndamwenderia dream mwe ndamura ni ndrenda tukorwo kwina andu turakora na andu young people who love the music.
Yes.
And we expand it. Tadona kene mwandiki.
Ni andikaga. Na Savannah no andikaga. Na we no andikaga. Kana we ni
I'm a poet.
I'm
a poet.
No mawendo. Ni country I get the poet. Tatugere kamwe.
But I'm good behind the microphone.
Sasa wewe assume hakuna watu, mic ndio huyo uko nyuma yake. Tuchachishe.
Nitakufanyia.
Sawa.
So last year I put a group of friends together na tukafanya first show.
Okay.
Where tuka notice tuko vijana wengi ayatureda music arutia wera business people.
Akutaira. Yes. Horia biashara.
Horia biashara. Na makiada the whole concept. So far tuwekete show idhano huko Nairobi, even outside Nairobi. Na ukata Sunday we shall be the first people in the country to celebrate International Cowboys Day.
International Cowboys Day. Wewe
igakorwo haha Ngara haderetwa Black Calves. Hau niho the two business ladies they believed in our idea. So they gave us a free space where we perform once a month.
Rimwe mweri. Hau Ngara niho mukoragwo.
No to your team to hetagwo Black Calves.
Black Calves. To sawa toiro. Black
Calves.
Lazima tutaorerwa githungu wega. Okay, Black Calves.
Yeah, but country music the aim and the idea is to bring young people together and make business people also use them for advertisements, networking purposes.
Wow, very nice. Sana ni kumadha shigana.
They ginya
2 p.m.
2 p.m. until 10 p.m.
Tuko. Yes, ni ndu wa mundu ngenda ukorwa akimenya maybe atakuja aje kana ni kuria tickets na madomo mothe ni muri na contacts.
Tuna contacts to Country Music Cafe right on Facebook. Contact yetu atumia is 0726 043557.
So kira rege
0726 043557.
Yes.
No, you can get me on Ngash Sage. Kama na the grandpa. Yeah.
Adi how country music ndio ukora about more.
Yes. Na kana ru tukora ni we bring talents tofauti hamwe. Then no gutona mawira tu hamu igothe.
Yeah. Asante sana. Haya na tuthi na bani mugutwinira tukirikiria ni gatho cia manya muno makiria na ririkana tugithia na mbere mwiroreri tukiri na muhotani witu wa ciringi 300 tukira kunengeria ni njira huthu muno makiria haria thini wa Paybill 570 etagwo Naomi Wangari niwe our fourth winner tukirikiria tabarira itu ya muthenya wa muthi. Naomi Wangari akihotanira 300,000 Kenyan shillings akorwa kiri muhotani witu wa kana tukirikiria tabarira itu ya muthenya wa mothe na tukire na mundu gwetwo DJ Springs 254. Na we hii weekend unachachishia wapi?
Yeah man, sorry. Unaona hii weekend hatakuwa mahali, tutakuwa pale hivyo Finest. Kuna kitu tutashoot. Unajua siku hizi kuna hii platform imekuja na nirari haweko na ukira maybe gigs. Ugo na muthenya wa muthe na rucio twako mwana wa TikTok live at DJ Ricky Wayne.
Kune kwa mrathukuma.
Mwana cio ri.
Nyona Ricky Wayne kore tukogithukira akeina kinaga.
Yes. Unapatanga unaona mafans wengi wa diaspora hawapatangi watu wa ku entertain. Tutoigira ko ure twahura wega.
Muraria mwista.
Maudu makagirira fiu. Maisha na DJ Rikivene hara buba. Yes maira to niramenya.
Sawa, tulikania social media ciaku na kuna mundu angimona kura Finest Entertainment.
Yes, kundu guothe njitikaga ta DJ Spring 254 mwena Facebook DEEJAY Spring 254 mwena IG Threads kundu guothe ungi search DJ Spring 254 na ungikorwo wi hare mucii na ni wenda gutuika DJ na no wenda gutunengera igongona ria mohiki kana any event namba yakwa ni weno 0757 725 407 no jokere
Yes, okay.
0757 725 407 yes.
Yes.
Na mado bae ko makiagira.
Thank you muno.
Yes.
Tutiridia wega.
Yes. Na mutikadego muno.
Tutigo gote.
Sawa sawa.
Tiko sairo tigote ya nikurano.
Oh, nikurano.
Nikurano. Tutigotiga kurano.
All right.
All right. No akigwo muroreri wa Kameme TV tuthite na mbere o wega. Ucio ni mundu gwitwo DJ Spring 254 tumana country music cafe na tutigotiga kumarehe riu ni ria mbere gukonia uria what they can do ni tugukorwo tugithira mbere na gukorwo tukiara nagagirie nao magagiuka magatuine no mari haha no mari tuhingira na rwimbo muthenya wa umuthi na ni gatho ni kunyitanira na ithui kuma ria cianjiririe Monday na riu ni Friday na ria ciandire thinacara riu ni ciorete kwihanda thaa 4. Asante sana gagikuria utigenda thayo wa Ngai utamenye kore utari na turi na mundu gwitwo Maina Kihumo tukire nake tuko tukinyitania nake ni gatho cia mwanya gagikwendithiria muthenya mwega kana weekend njega ina umithio gagitwo Nonsizi mware wangethe be safe by the way turokande muthenya wa marino tukiri na country music cafe magiturikiria mukora turikia na riko okay fine
Tukoina we should be together ni Rwa Don Williams
okay
karibuni
haya
I think about you when I don't want to dream about your smiling face. I keep trying not to love you, but I love you anyway. We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side, oh baby. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. Oh yeah. I have tried to come to know you. I've come to need your company. What will I do if I can't have you? If I can't have you, what will I do? We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side, oh baby. We should be together.
Muthegi wa ruriri
Ribororo ni taifuku taito ni mombi
Mugithi wa Kameme TV
wale wa maito tiga gwetigira wa monai
haha no tukira twara fa